A 30 gigabyte AI model can shrink to just 8 gigabytes and keep it smarts. One free engine runs models on hardware as small as a Raspberry Pi. A second packs a data center GPU with hundreds of users at once. Pick the wrong one and it costs you real money. Cloud AI runs a tab, monthly bills that scale with every request, rate limits that throttle you at the worst moment, outages you can't fix, and your data sits on someone else's servers the entire time. Running models on your own hardware fixes all of it, and two free open source engines get you there in opposite ways. By the end, one question about your workload tells you exactly which one is yours. The first bet belongs to llama.cpp. Shrink the model until it fits. Its whole mission is making big models usable on modest consumer hardware, your laptop, a mini PC, even a Raspberry Pi. Quantization does the shrinking. Model weights normally ship as 16-bit floats. Drop them to 4-bit integers and the file collapses to roughly a quarter of its size. That 30 gigabyte model lands near 8 gigabytes with minimal quality loss. Everything travels in a single GGUF file. Weights, tokenizer, and configuration bundled together. So swapping models means swapping one file. And inference runs on plain CPUs just as happily as on GPUs. No data center card required. That's the portability half of the bet. vLLM makes the opposite bet. Saturate the hardware. The problem here isn't one user on a small machine. It's hundreds of users hammering one big GPU at once. And vLLM is engineered to serve them all at production speed. Two mechanisms do the heavy lifting. Continuous batching slots requests into the GPU the moment they arrive instead of waiting for a full batch to finish, and PagedAttention manages the KV cache in small blocks, like virtual memory pages, so almost no GPU memory sits wasted and the same card serves far more concurrent requests. And this bet isn't locked to one vendor. vLLM is optimized for data center accelerators across NVIDIA GPUs, Google TPUs, AMD, and Intel hardware alike. Both camps chase the same next frontier, raw speed. Speculative decoding hands the drafting to a small, fast model, while the big model merely verifies its tokens, a significant speed up because verifying is cheaper than generating. Disaggregation, through tools like llm-d, splits the prefill and decode stages of inference so each one gets the hardware it deserves. Neither trick replaces your engine choice. They make whichever engine you pick faster. One question decides it. Are you serving one user or many? If it's just you, your laptop, local experiments, private tinkering, take llama.cpp. If it's AI agents at scale, RAG pipelines, or real production traffic, take vLLM. Here's the kicker. Both expose an OpenAI-compatible API. Point your existing code at a new base URL and the cloud endpoint you're paying for today becomes a local one tonight. Same requests, same client libraries. You swap the endpoint, not your stack. Shrink the model or saturate the GPU. You now hold both bets and the single question that picks between them, which makes your next cloud invoice a choice, not a default. If this saved you a benchmark weekend, hit like and subscribe for more open source AI head-to-heads.